Now the topic is accounting equation. This is the next topic. Accounting equation based on dual aspect concept, that every debit have a corresponding credit with the same amount. That's why our balance sheet always matched. Balance sheet always matched. Both sides of the balance sheet always matched. The right hand side, your right hand side is your assets and left hand side is your liabilities. Liabilities means there are the two types of liabilities. Liabilities consist of internal liability and external liability. External liabilities. Internal liability means the amount given by the proprietor, that is called capital, to earn profit. Amount given by the proprietor to earn profit, that is called capital. And external liability means the business has taken loan from outside, maybe from financial institution, maybe from bank, maybe goods taken on credit or machinery purchased on credit. This is an external liability. So the liabilities may be the internal or maybe the external liabilities. So internal liabilities is your capital, and external liability, it may be the creditors, it may be the bank loan, it may be the loan from the financial institution, outstanding wages. These are the external liability. So both side of the balance sheet, this left hand side is your liability and right hand side is your assets. Always be same. Why is it so? Whatever the assets the business have, these assets acquired by the business or purchased by the business, either from the capital amount, from the capital, or from the external liabilities. These assets which the business have are acquired by the two way. One is from the capital, that may be acquired by the capital, through the capital, or maybe from the external liability. These two are the external liabilities. Liabilities here both consist capital and external liability. This is our external liability, this is our internal liability. This is our external liabilities. So both are liabilities. So it is capital plus liability is equal to assets. Always the equation is assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Liabilities means external liabilities. I am talking about external liability. And you know that the capital is your internal liability. Capital is your internal liability. So assets always be equal to your capital plus liability. Liability means external liability and capital means internal liability. That's why the both side of the balance sheet always equal. Both side of the balance sheet always equal as on date. Suppose date is 31st March 2020. So on this date the balance sheet will always be equal. These are the assets. These assets are acquired or purchased by the business from either from the capital amount or from the external liability, means through the bank loan or through the creditors. You can also understand through these balancing tools. Your left hand side of this tool is your capital plus liability and this right hand side tool is your assets. This tool is this side is your assets. This is capital plus liability and this side is your assets. A for assets, C for capital and L for liabilities. Always this equation will be balanced after the effect of any transactions. Suppose the business proprietor has introduced 1 lakh in the business. So if the proprietor introduced 1 lakh in the business, the capital will increase by 1 lakh, and other side, your asset side, your cash will also be increase by 1 lakh. So equation is balanced. Equation is balanced. Our entire accounting depend upon or follow the dual aspect concept. That's why our system is called double entry system. Means every debit have a corresponding credit with the same amount. Okay. Any assets you will purchase, you purchased from these. Suppose these assets you have purchased, you purchase these assets from this amount, from capital, or maybe from this amount or this amount. Okay. So one side, your right hand side is your assets, left hand side is your liabilities. Liability consists both internal liability and external liability. Internal liability means capital, and external liability, it may be a bank loan, it may be loan from the financial institution, it may be the creditors, it may be the bank overdraft, it may be the outstanding wages. Okay. So these are your external liability, or maybe the internal liability, which will be equal to your assets, or assets will be equal to your liability. So capital plus liability is equal to assets, or you can say assets is equal to capital plus liability, or assets minus liability is equal to capital. Assets minus liability means external liability is equal to capital, or assets minus capital is equal to your external liability. If you deduct the capital from your assets, you will get the liability. If you deduct the liability from your assets, you will get the capital. Okay. This is your accounting equations. So both sides of the equation always be the same. Take one more example. Suppose goods purchased and payment made by check. Goods purchased. Suppose goods purchased of rupees 50,000 goods is purchased and payment made by checks. When we purchase the goods, our assets will increase, stock will increase by 50,000, and we have made the payment by cash or by check. Suppose we have made the payment by check. So bank is your assets, the bank balance is your assets. From that bank balance, the 50,000 will be deducted because you have done the payment through the check. So the effect is one side only, the asset side. One assets is increased by 50, but another assets is decreased by 50. The ultimate effect of this plus and minus is 0, and this side is already 0. No value I have put this side. Your capital and liabilities, I have not put any value this side, and this side plus 50 and minus 50 is equal to 0. So equation is balanced. Suppose we have purchased goods of rupees 50,000 on credit. So the stock will increase by this much amount, and we have purchased the goods on credit. So the creditors will increase by 50,000. So this side, your liability side 50,000 in the name of creditors is increased, and the asset side, your stock is increased by 50,000. So equation is balanced. Equation is balanced. Suppose you have purchased machinery. Suppose you have purchased machinery of rupees 2 lakhs. So asset side, the machinery will increase, and if you have done the payment by cash, then your cash balance will decrease by 2 lakhs. So machinery has increased by 2 lakhs and cash is decreased by 2 lakhs. So ultimate plus 2 lakhs minus 2 lakhs is equal to 0, and this side already it is 0, no value I have written this side. So the equation is balanced. Suppose this machinery is purchased on credit. Then the effect will be this side. Suppliers account means suppliers account will be this side, increased by rupees 2 lakhs. Suppliers account will increase by rupees 2 lakhs. It's a creditors. So 2 lakh debt and this side 2 lakh, equation is balanced. Suppose the machinery is purchased rupees 2 lakhs and the 80,000 amount is paid in cash. So this side the cash payment is done, 80,000 cash is paid. So cash will reduce by 80, machinery is increased by 2 lakhs, and the liability side, the creditors suppliers account will increase by 1,20,000, because already we have paid the amount to the supplier 80,000. So rest amount is your liability in the name of supplier's personal account. So 1,20,000. So this side effect is 2 lakh plus minus 80. So 1,20,000, and this side 1,20,000. Equation is balanced. Is it clear?